Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I will not take your time and will quickly start showing you how to create your NFT and how to put it on the market. As promised, all steps are completely free. First of all, we need a Gmail account. I assume you all have it or you know how to create one. Second, we need to have an image on our desktop like this to convert it into NFT. Let's take this example of this image that's in my desktop. It can be any original image. It could also be your picture. It's up to you. We need to edit it with paint and need some space down to it. You will see why we need it later. Like this. And this, maybe more. We save. All right. Then we go to this website to create our first NFT. It is our NFT creator. Right. This page. The site's name is Photo NFT Creator. You can search this on Google and click the link. If it opens, we log into it by using our Gmail account. Then we click the Create New NFT Now button. A new tab will open and we will be asked to upload the image that's on our desktop. So in here, we upload it by dragging or simply uploading by selecting. Let's select it. Now it is uploading, and on the left we see there are a selection of styles. We can choose one of them for now and carry on. Depending on the size of the image, the conversion time goes up or down. It is converting now. It is ready to download. We click free image. Let me get it for you. Here. I told you at the first that we need a space down to it. And now we edit it again and remove the unwanted add from the image. And save it, and here it goes. Our first NFT is ready. Step 1 is complete. Well done. Step 2 is not that easy, but don't worry. If you follow me step by step, you will have this NFT in the market and connect it to your wallet. We need MetaMask wallet on Google Chrome to continue. Creating a wallet is easy and free. If you already have this extension on your Chrome, you can skip this step. Otherwise, we need to click the extensions button here and then manage extensions. And we click Open Chrome Web Store. In here, we search MetaMask. We click to it. We click Add to Chrome button. It's checking. It will download and install. Also, if you cannot find the extensions button, you can search on Google to add the extension like this. We need to click Add Extension. All the checkings are done. Now it's downloading and it will add the wallet into the Chrome. Alright, MetaMask has been added to Chrome. You see MetaMask is here when it is installed. Now we need to click Get Started. I'll show you here, Get Started button to create our wallet. We will click Create a new wallet button and we will agree. It will ask a new password. We agree and we click Create. We click Next. We can click Remind Me Later. And this is it. The wallet is ready. We will keep this open on another tab to link it with our NFT in NFT market. And the last big step, adding our NFT into the NFT market. We start by Googling. Let's open Google here. Yeah, we start by Googling Mintable App site. It's the free website that you can publish your NFT without paying any gas fee. First, we need to sign up for a new account. Username. It will ask a username, which will be used for our market's name. We can say Money NFT Markets. And our email, we can copy it here. And the password. And then we click create a new account. It will send a code to our email. Is it here? Let's check. Not yet. Okay, it asks better passwords. 2 more digits. Okay, I think it liked it now. Anyway. Okay, here is the code. We can copy and paste it into the website to verify the account. And after that, the website asks us to log in again. I hope I can remember the password. And then it will need us to connect our wallet. Okay. We choose MetaMask. We click the MetaMask field and the wallet extension opens and we click next and we click connect and we will click link account and then we need to sign and then done. So now we linked our wallet with the NFT market, which means any item that we sell will be paid into our wallet. Now we need to upload our NFT into the market. To do this, we go to our profile and click profile. We can mute here. In here, these options, in here we can customize our settings, but we are here to upload the NFT. So we go down and we click create new item. In here, these options are default and we only click proceed to mint. This is the part where we upload our NFT and list it. Now we will choose the NFT that we created. Marshmallow is uploading. Okay, while it uploads, we will need to write a description. Marshmallow funny. NFT marshmallow. And the category, we can choose art, and the subcategory could be anything relevant like drawing. And in here, it asks the price of the NFT. It is taking Ethereum price as default. So if we put 1, it will mean the NFT will cost 1 Ethereum, which is about $2,000. So let's put 0.2. And then we can click transfer copyright when purchased. And list item. Is it? And then we click proceed. And then the MetaMask will open. We need to sign it again. And congratulations, our NFT is now on the market. Job well done. So we created our NFT, created a wallet and a Mintable account, and published our work into the market. So if it gets sold, the website will cut their discount and pay Ethereum into your wallet. And the rest is up to you. I hope all was clear and I gave you valuable information. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe. Enjoy your NFT. Bye.